Prabhupada presented Krishna consciousness in a unique, dynamic way, while maintaining the very strict essence of Rupa Goswami's following of the principles of rules and regulations or sadhana bhakti. He intertwined within that an all-pervasive facility for manifesting raganuga bhakti, or spontaneous devotional service. It's very rare. In India is immediately the tendency to become a kanistha adhikari. Immediately. I am Hindu, I am this, I am that. To simply ring the bell at the arti time, ding dong, ding dong, ding dong, ding dong, and then go back after arti, sit down, wait for the rice. So eating a lot of rice, to take a little rest. In other words, to be able to lift up the bell at the next arti. Very heavy, about 2 kilos. 5-pound bells. Prabhupada admitted to us that at one point Srila Bhakti Siddhanta said that if I just had one Madhyam Adhikari disciple, one, never mind Uttam Adhikari, never mind first class, if I had one second class devotee, I would say my whole movement is a success. One second class devotee. A third class devotee simply sees the external form. Simply sees the external form. If someone bows down, oh, he's surrendered to Krishna. If he goes to the temple, he's surrendered. So then, there's more than that. But then, the Sahajiyas, they take it a step further. They say, oh, we are fully second plus devotees. We understand that simply bowing down, going to the temple is not pure devotion. There's more to it. So therefore, we don't go to the temple in devotion to show we're beyond that. We don't need that. And then they go over the deep edge.